Hello friends, in this video I will show you how you can remove the burned light bulb in this panel. For example, this light bulb or there and there. First of all, you need to remove this panel. Pull it out. Friends, but before starting the video, subscribe to our channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel. After that, you can remove all this light bulb on this panel. For example, you can remove this light bulb. That's all guys. Subscribe to our channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel.